I made this app using ChatGPT and it's so cool. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT 5 and it's insane. It can chat, write, code, summarize and explain in your own language. And even help you to finally understand those confusing emails from your boss. Think of ChatGPT 5 just like Google plus Wikipedia inside your laptop. Already has GPT-4, then why we want GPT-5? Here is why. GPT-5 is way faster than GPT-4. When you ask a simple question, it doesn't overthink. Just give you an answer right away, like 2 plus 2 equal to 5. Yes. And unlike the old models where you had to switch manually, like GPT 4.0 for creativity and GPT 3.5 for speed, GPT-5 can switch modes automatically. Here is a prompt I made inside GPT-5 using GPT-5. Yeah, I'm basically using ChatGPT to make an app inside ChatGPT. White coding. And the best part is, with just one simple prompt, it built something awesome right in front of me. This isn't the future anymore. It's happening right now.